black bean, green chili hummus. So black beans go right inside. Green chilies, I'm kind of addicted to the green chilies in a can.
Me too, I love the little green chilies in a can.
I did pork chops the other night at the house. I put those on top when they baked.
Oh,
it was excellent.
They're delicious, nothing to it.
All right, a little bit of cilantro goes on top. I'll have you do the lime zest. And
yes,
honestly,
sir.
I have this one in my house. I like this one. A little bit of chipotle, in adobo. You want the chili and you want the sauce.
The paste. You know they make chipotle paste in a tube now? I almost squealed. I did squeal. I was so excited.
You know what happens when you're our age when we see chipotle paste in a tube and we go, it's not like that there's a new pair of shoes. It's Chipotle's now in a squeeze bottle. All right. So now, I know what I'm getting you for Christmas. Yes. Salt, pepper, and then we put the lid on top of this guy, over the shoulder. Okay. And then, when you do it, I like to add the olive oil when you start pulsing because some people like it a little thinner, some people like it a little thicker. I kind of like it in the medium range.
All right.
Okay. So once it comes to here, you try this bad boy. Dip it in there, Rach.
I'm double dipping, but whatever. It's
Do
my
it,
show.
sister. This is your board. All right? Hold on a second. Salt was so perfect. Cannellini beans. We love them. They're simple. They're protein packed. They're delicious.
I always have. It's one of the staples of a Mediterranean pantry is dry and canned beans, right?
Exactly. So a little bit of lemon zest goes in here. And would you cut this for me and put a little bit of lemon juice inside?
Sure, babe.
Here we go. I think the knife's over there.
Yep.
Inside here, I add so each one kind of has like a little trick. So I'm putting a little bit of Dijon mustard in here.
Yum.
I'm kind of full of Dijon mustard. It's my favorite thing. It goes on steaks. It goes on chicken.
Me too. I love it.
Everything. It's super tangy, and it's in a bottle done. Here's tahini instead of the cashew butter. Here's that roasted sesame paste that just brings an umami to this. And I'm not talking about my mom. You're not texting anybody. Umami flavor. Umami that really just takes the food over the top. Salt and pepper. Loads of olive oil goes inside here with the lemon juice. And then we pulse this guy. But here's the trick on this one. I took this over the top. When Rachel's team said, make the best hummuses you've ever had in your life, I said, I'm not only going to do that, I'm going to give the best sides that come with it. So once this comes together, a cannellini hummus, just like such, okay? And come over here and I want to show you guys. This cannellini hummus
I'm right next to you, baby.
has a Parmesan base on the plate. Then we take our hummus. Because there's nothing worse than looking for the cheese on top of hummus and it's missing.
Yum.
So I smear it like making a cake.
A schmear.
A schmear of this hummus goes on top of this.
Yum.
Just like this, okay? So put a lot of this schmear. And all these great roasted vegetables on the side. And because I'm crazy and I love cheese, we put cheese on top again.
Oh my God. Then what's this?
Here's the thing. To take this over the top, I do my kind of mixture of everything bagel seasoning that goes on top.
Poppy seeds, sesame seeds.
Toasted sesame seed, black sesame seed, minced onions.
And garlic.
Minced garlic. And a little bit of sea salt. And watch, this goes on top. And the whole theme.
Oh my God.
The whole theme on this, ooh, look at this. This goes on top. So everything seasoning hummus